BirdNote. Poison ivy is the bane of many outdoor enthusiasts. The plant's distinctive leaves are made up of 3 leaflets, and starting in late summer, its branches are full of whitish berries that are toxic to humans, but not to a gray catbird. They'll land on poison ivy and pluck off the berries one after another. Just like its leaves, poison ivy berries are rich in an oil called urushiol that can cause a serious allergic reaction in humans. But catbirds and other bird species just aren't sensitive to urushiol. Poison ivy berries are one of many fruits that help birds survive fall and winter once insects become scarce. Other wild fruits such as pokeberry, holly, and Virginia creeper are poisonous to humans, but not to birds. So the old survival advice to eat the berries that birds eat turns out to be pretty misleading. While you probably want to stay away from poison ivy, you can improve habitats for birds by planting native fruit bushes and advocating for wildlife-friendly gardening in public green spaces. Learn more on our website, birdnote.org. I'm Ariana Rimmel. Want more BirdNote sounds, images, and stories delivered straight to your inbox? Subscribe to our weekly newsletter for a preview of the week's shows, stories, and stunning photos every Friday morning. Visit birdnote.org to sign up today.